Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm from Thuong Nguyen Woodworking Machinery. Today, I would like to talk about how we can turn this blocky piece of wood into this nicely round shaped piece of wood. Now, this one is a part of a chair that you would normally see in a bars or a restaurants or perhaps in personal home as well. So, traditionally, normally, how would we do that? Well, there are a couple of ways, but first, this one needs to go through a machine called the copy shaper machine. So the copy shaper machine, what it does is it will turn this piece of wood around, or rather the other piece of wood around, and it will make the round shape, make this into the round shape, like this. And then after that machine, we need to make these hold. And in order to do that, we need a machine called the oscillating mortisers. So the oscillating mortisers, it will make this hole like this and make these holes like this. Then after that, we need another machines called the drilling machines or the boring machines. That machine will make this hole and this hole right here. So in the end, in order to make this whole thing, you would need at least 3 different machines. But today, I want to introduce to you one machine that perhaps it can do all of this all together in one package. Let's check it out. Well, this is the machine. So right off the bat, one advantage of this machine, aside from it being the all-in-one package of course, is that it is equipped with double table, 2 working table. So what is the advantage of that? Well, the advantage is where the machine will be working on one table, the other table, and while it was doing that, we can use that time to prepare for this table. We can load on the workpiece and get this ready. Once the machine has completed its operations on the other table, it can jump right into this table and start working with no downtime at all. I think that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the interiors of the machines. Okay. Alright, so here we are, the control panel. So with all that being said, how does one operate this machine? Well, pretty simple really. All you have to do is you need a computer, be it a desktop or a laptop, either one is fine. Use that computer to produce an NC file, then you can load that NC file into a USB stick. Then you can load that into the USB hold of the control panel. And from there, the machine can recognize the NC file and we can start working without, we don't really need to manually control it. And like I said earlier, we can use that time to prepare for the other table, saves time for working. Alright, so let's see how this thing works. All right, so that's all for today. This is a wonderful piece of technology. If you want to know more about technologies for woodworking machinery, anything really, please contact us or comment below so we can talk to you or give you some information, more information about these technologies. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.